As architects, we hear this all the time. Form follows function. Remember those phrases that stand out from architecture school? They're probably burned in your mind, and this is probably the most prevalent phrase that goes along with architecture today. So let's dig into what it means. Don't design architecture for beauty's sake. It must function first. And so how do we do this when we have Pinterest, Houzz, Instagram throwing daily images at us? Don't most of your clients come to you with some kind of image or picture of what this project's going to look like? Designing around a look has backed a tremendous amount of architects into a corner. It looks good, but you add people into it and it completely falls apart. Architecture has to serve the people who inhabit it first. Focus on the people. What are their needs? How do they work? How do they live? And this will direct the function, and then form will follow that. So what happens many times is the saying form follows function leads many architects to think that function drives the form, and that function sets the stage and it directs the form, tells it what needs to be done. And this really isn't true. Form follows, meaning it comes after. It doesn't mean it accepts the function without question. And when we look at great works versus so-so everyday buildings, there's this thought that a sterile building has been driven by the function, like a warehouse or a hospital building. And those are examples of form following function, right? Wrong. Those are examples of function without any form at all, and form was never part of the equation. To create architecture, beautiful architecture, you have to work within aesthetics. Aesthetics are necessary to complete the needs of the design. On your next project, think about function. How will the space interact with a human element? And then think about the form. What will the form bring to the design? Form follows function. It's not told what to do by it.